so this is a crane set that arrived, and here are the parts inside of it. So this is the Arduino board. This is another part of the Arduino board, and it's the Bluetooth connector. These are the motors that are going to rotate the crane. This is the wireless connector. And this is for me to cut out in order to make the parts of the crane. As well as this, there's also a controller that comes with it to control this. Over here, I think we have the chargers. And that's it. This is the whole set. Okay, so now we're gonna be attaching the Arduino board with the Bluetooth connector. Now I'm going to test it to see if it all works. So I'm gonna attach it to this adapter. Okay, now I'll be connecting it. There's two, by the way. I'm going to put in the top one first. Oh no, bottom, sorry. Okay, it works. Put in the bottom one, and it lit up the top one, meaning they both are connected. Now I'm gonna connect the Bluetooth connector onto it, the other part, which will connect to the controller. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this motor, connect it with this, and then attach it to the board. Now that it's all set, I'm gonna connect it to the board. Right over here. There, now it's connected. I'm gonna repeat this same thing with the rest of the motors. Now I'm going to be attaching these motors to the board. Here's the first one. And here's the second one. So these are separate motors and these are separate ones. These ones are going to control the crane, and these are probably going to be for the base at the bottom to control that. So now I just need to connect this to it. And this is going to be the insulator. And here's the pieces that I need for that. Okay, so I attached the first two wires. The black one goes in first, and then the red one. I'm gonna do the same for the other one. Okay, now I'm gonna leave the middle empty, and I'm gonna put these two wires in on the side over here. The black is gonna go in first, and then the red is the opposite of the other side. Now I'm gonna connect these wires to the actual motors, so I'll have to solder it on. So I'll be back with that. Now you can see that the wires are soldered on to the motor. Now what we're gonna do is test all of this out. So I'm gonna plug this in into here. There's two power sources. I can put it into any one. Put it in the bottom one. Okay, now it's blinking and it's working. Now it's time for the remote. I'm gonna turn it on. You have to put batteries in, of course, but this light is working now. Now this green just went solid, meaning it's connected. So now, as you can see, if I hold this, if I hold that, if I go sideways, it's gonna move. And if I go forward, this is gonna move. And with the right joystick, if I move that, this is gonna move. And if I go sideways, this is also gonna move. I'm not sure how they work, but the controller definitely shakes. Oh, there we go, it just worked. And there we go, it all works. Thank you. I'm gonna build this whole thing now, and I'm gonna fast forward it all. And here's all my parts. So. Okay, so now I've finished taking all of these pieces out, and I'm ready to start building. So I'm gonna fast forward that. Now I'm placing the Arduino board on the actual crane, on the back part. Okay, so now I've finished making the entire crane. It's all connected. Now I'm going to be testing it out to make sure it all works. So I'm going to plug this in. Alright, the lights just went on. And there. Okay, now I'm going to connect the controller to it. Okay, it's connected. Lights are solid. Alright, it's all working. Okay, I'll try lifting up something. Okay. Oh, it fell. Let me try again. Alright, I'll just help it out a little bit. Alright. And there we go. You can carry it and place it anywhere. And now I'm gonna let go. There. Alright, now this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be making another video on the process of the bottom portion, which is gonna be like a remote control car.